Hello everyone, good evening to all of you, and once again in front of you. Hope that all of you are fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear friends, after a few days later, I have come here video making purposes, and now I'm share with you in this place. Okay, so let's get start this video. So, dear friends, actually today I want to share with you this place, and as we can see, this is our jute plants, and all around side actually jute field, and another my behind side there is a on paddy field, and actually it is time 4:30 p.m. and evening time, and as we can see actually today very sunny day, and sun actually very shine. So and morning time actually cloudy, and now it is very sunny. Okay, so dear brothers, actually after a few days later I make on blog video, because so many problem after a few days later actually uh, from 1 week ago and till date actually my uh, health condition not good, so that is why I couldn't make any English practicing video or blog video. Just I practiced in my home, and actually when I free time in my home, at the time I make only for conversational video from any friends and upload my YouTube channel. And today actually my condition very good, so that is why I have come here in this place, and I will make on blog video, and now I'm making on blog video. So actually when I make blog video, and my mind actually fresh, because when I go to like a paddy field, like a jute field, any like empty places, at that time my mind actually fresh, so that is why I make blog video. It's my favorite when I free time. Okay, actually English is a very important language and international language, and when I get free time I try to make blog video, because it's a very uh, helpful for learning English. Okay,